Today I lost it over a Livon packet. Exactly, this is how I kept the packet. And then I went for finishing up some 2 minutes task. And then when I came back, I saw that the packet is being spilled, and then the room is smelling Livon. And then definitely my direct doubt went to my son. And then when I asked him, like, he was standing fearfully scared, and I really got angry on him. I hit him also. And then immediately I was reminded of James 1:19, to be slow to anger. And then I questioned myself over a Livon packet. I know we need to discipline our kids, but then again, see his mistake, see his age. I went to him, apologized to him, I hugged him, I kissed him. He was down for a moment. He wasn't even looking at my face. But then when I said sorry to him repeatedly, and he was okay, he just gave us beautiful smile. And then everything was so fine. So what I learned today is to work more on my anger, to be slow to anger, to be slow to anger.